How much weight can a lawn tractor pull? Well, we have a 15 horsepower Craftsman and we have 1,000 pounds of play sand. And we also have a 14 cubic foot yard trailer. Let's find out if this 15 horsepower lawn tractor can haul 1,000 pounds. All right, it fits. Now, let's see if it ships. All right, she's pulling, and she's pulling nicely. So the age-old question of will a lawn tractor pull 1,000 pounds is answered. Yes, and it'll pull it quite easily. But I'd recommend using a large trailer like I have, because one of the little dinky ones that you get at Tractor Supply will probably not cut it. So there you have it. Smash that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and take care.